Welcome to AquaBloomBoutique. If you guys are new here, you guys don't know who I am. My name is Z, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I stuff my cash envelope for the month of February. So I already jotted down all my projected amount that I think I'm gonna be getting from Etsy, YouTube. The allowance it's always set because that's what my husband decided to give me, so it's always gonna be $2,000 a month. So I will have to use that allowance to distribute between all the cash envelope, saving fund, and the saving challenge, and then the saving for kids. So Etsy YouTube will only be distributed for the business debt and business future investment and tax and expense. So even I added here in the income source, I still gonna separate them for for allowance for my personal and Etsy YouTube's for business. Okay, so I can see how much that actually came from Etsy and YouTube that I can put back into the business investment. So I projected Etsy to be making $800 because you guys know, you guys never know how much you guys can make, because business is like, you never know. It could be more, it could be less. So I didn't want to put 1,000 because I don't know if I'm gonna make that. So I'll just do $800 again, and then YouTube $100 because that's the minimum to be paid out. And my YouTube is getting really low views, so the amount of money I'm making is not even at the threshold yet. So you guys see in the last video, I showed that I didn't get paid for YouTube for the month in January because I didn't meet the threshold. So hopefully it rolls over to February. So I will be working hard for you guys, and so hopefully this number will change for February, and then the allowance is always gonna remain 2,000. So you guys, so then I only get $2,000 from the bank because that's the allowance that my husband is going to give me. And I said he was gonna give it to me like around the second week of every month, but I just told him to give it to me like the first every month because I need to allocate the money for my cash envelope, my sinking fund. So I already took out the money, and so now we're going to be stuffing my envelope here, you guys. And then I'm going to be really persistent to track my expense and keep, I think I need a little binder or something or I need to go get more of these where I can put my personal receipt in here so I can track them to see how much I've spent from each category, and then whatever I don't spend, they just roll over to the next month, and then probably at the end of the year anything extra probably will go into saving for kids' future. My husband already have like all that set up for my kids, but this is just for my part. I just want to have something on the side for my part so I can help out my kids in the future too. So anyways, let's allocate the money to the envelope here. Okay, so for groceries we planned $600. So I got 3, 4, 5, and then I'm gonna do $250. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So $600 for grocery. So that's grocery money. So I can't use anything from this envelope, okay? And then gas is $200. You guys, so in the last video, I really messed up because I didn't really track anything. So I don't know what the heck I was doing, but the Etsy income, everything was correct. And then the saving here, I've been keeping up with the envelope challenge. So this is how many that I have since the last time I filmed. So I've been doing this already, and we started on January 24th, and today is January 31st. So we have, so how, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, 31. So it's already been 7 days since the 24th. So I should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, so I should have 7. So I count 24, so I should have 7, so I should be having envelope number 8 today. So if I count 24, it'll be 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So that'll be 8, right? Yeah, 8. So I'm still counting my finger, you guys. Sorry. Just trying to visualize it. So let's go back to the budget. So these are the envelope that I chose already for the challenge, and that's how much money it's in there already, 676. And then we'll choose one today after I stuff off this. So for household, it's getting 100, and then so I already have a business envelope here, so I'm gonna put this separately. So this one I'm gonna be putting all the way in the back because it's separate from my personal. And then I have a kids, so kids getting 100, and let me do some of these 20, 150. Fun is 100. So I hope that in March we get to go hiking, and I'll use this money, or I'll take my kids out to do some fun activity. So we have 100, do that, like, or go watch a movie, whatever. So those are like fun activity. I realized we don't have an eat out, so I think I'm gonna put the fun money as eat out too. So this could be for like eat out movie, because we don't do movies or fun things all the time too. So it could be eat out money. And then mama, I'm just gonna $50. I don't know if I don't really shop for, like, just for myself. I mean, I do buy a lot of craft supplies like that, but like other than like pampering myself, I don't do it. But I plan to try to do at least my nail, so that's $50. Put it there, see if I use it for next month. So now we're gonna go to the sinking fund. So these are the cash envelope, which is the variable expense. Okay, so cash envelope is also the variable expense. And so I already told you guys, we're not doing the fixed expense, which is the bill here. So let's do giving. Giving is going to get $42. And anything that roll over if these envelopes get too big, I will have to take some stuff to the bank. Some money back to the bank. So Christmas, they want to separate these because giving and that needs to be in the back. And then birthdays too, so it'll be good right here. So Christmas, the birthdays, Okay, like this. I'm trying to match up with what I have. So you guys can get these binder and these envelope from Amazon, and I have everything linked in the description if you guys want to use my affiliate links. So I would appreciate if you guys can, but it's not a requirement. It's just down there if you guys want to support my channel. So Xmets is $42. So the goal is to get $500 because, you know, Christmas coming up, so I can do things for Christmas. And then birthday is also 42, so whatever, like if my niece, nephew, or anybody's birthday, I can use this to buy a gift for them. The vacation is the big one, so it's 200. I'm gonna have to use a lot of these. I haven't used any 5 yet, so 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 6, 7, 8. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78. 78. So 278. This is going to a vacation. So I will show you guys how I got the number, because I am planning to save this in 3 years. And my vacation is, I want to go to Thailand, you guys. So I know it's going to cost me 10 grand to go in there and have a fun time. So I'm going to save in the span of 3 years. So I will get there. I will get there, and then I'll also get my savings. So this saving is just something fun I'm doing on the side. And so we still have this money left. So let me count how much. So this I'm going to put in the buffer because I don't know like how much money I'm going to be spending for, you know, my household, like for the cash envelope thinking fund. So let's count how much we are left here. So these I will put these in the buffer, and then at the end, if I have like any, if I didn't go over this, then all the buffer will just go into the saving for kids' future. And if I do go over, I have this buffer money that it's going to be in the buffer. So I budget kind of low for the cash envelope and the sinking fund. So if, you know, if we actually go over, I still have quite a lot of cash for the buffer. So we have 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So 200, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 90, 95, 100, 105, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. So that's 265 already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So $31. I think it was, I mean, I could have minus everything from that. I mean, I don't know what. So it was 31 plus 65 plus 200. So 296. Let me see if that was correct. So 296. That's how much I count. So let me just minus. Well, I got 396. So where was I? Where am I missing? I mean, we did the giving, vacation, birthday, Christmas, kids, fun, mama, household, gas, grocery. So I think, oh, okay. Let me see if I misplaced any of the money. I don't think I did. I mean, I did get exactly $2,000. Let me count it again. Maybe I counted wrong, you guys. Because this is 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And then 200. That's 65 that I already counted. Oh, this is 165 right here. Yeah. That is correct, you guys. Oh my god. Yeah, so I do have it because the 5 is 165. So we have 396 in the buffer. So let me put this cash like this. So for the buffer, since I take out too much of the ones, next time I know I don't need this much ones. I didn't know, so I kind of just randomly like gave the seller like an amount that I think I'll need, but I think this is too much. So it's probably not gonna fit this buffer, but I'm gonna take it out and I'm gonna exchange these later. So I know that the buffer right now has, I'm gonna put buffer right here, has 396. So then everything will balance out with the $2,000. So that is a pending in case anything here is over. Okay, so that's it for this cash stuffing. And then these two, this is gonna be separate because this is gonna be for business. And then the business will have, you know, the poly envelope on the side for the tax and for the expense. So I forgot the buffer can't be 396 because I still have to do the, envelope, you guys. So let's pick an envelope. I forgot the challenge right here. Picking this. Hopefully it's not a high number yet because I did choose a really high number in the past couple of days. Oh, 67. Okay, so we have number 67. 67. So I need to put 134 in here. So 130, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 134s need to go in this envelope. So I can have so 134, so I have to minus that from the buffer. So 396. So that's good. I still have a chunk of money, like for anything that I need to cover. So minus 134, 262, 262. So we'll leave that, and so this will cover anything that, you know, I went over for the actual. So yeah, so yay, we got this envelope done, you guys. Okay, so that's all, you guys. I will update you guys at the end of the month of how I spent the money and how much I spent for the actual and what went into my kids as future saving. Okay, because I already did this envelope saving here. It was 131, so so I have to do 131 plus 676, 676 plus 134, so 810. So we have 810 now. So the actual is done for this because I already put it in. I already chose the envelope. So then that's all, you guys. I hope that this budgeting give you guys an idea how to allocate your personal money, and then we will do the business money at the end. Okay, so this is a little bit confusing because I am doing my personal with my business. I mean, they're not together. I just put them together the sheet, but I am separating them. So only business pay for business debt and business investment and business tax, but the allowance is my own personal money that my husband gave me to pay for my household, my family household needs. So that's how I budget. And so hopefully I will get better at this as time goes by, so I don't like confuse myself, because you guys see I struggle a lot with the first video because I'm not sure what I was doing. So I kind of got a little bit idea now. So we'll see how it goes at the end of February. And then I'll update how much we have saved for the cash envelope, because that will be off camera. I think some of these buffer and the like the money from last month, these will probably have to cover my challenge here, because I am doing the challenge every day. So that's how much I have left. So I'm hoping I don't even like use a lot of this, so I can have more money go toward the envelope challenge, you guys. So this is just the pending money that might be used for the envelope or cover any other expense. I'm hoping it'll be enough to cover for the rest of the $10,000 saving. If it doesn't, then I probably skip some days, and then I'll have to move it down to the next month for the envelope challenge. Okay, that's what I'm planning, because that's all I have to work with, $2,000. And anyways, I'm gonna let you guys go. So thank you for hanging out, and I hope this give you guys an idea. If you guys have any question, comment, anything, just leave it in the description below. And also remember to hit the thumbs up, you guys, because that will help my video a lot and help my channel. And also subscribe and hit the bell notification to get future notification from me when I post up videos. So if you guys can do that for me, that would be wonderful, because running a channel does take a lot of time. So I would appreciate it if you guys can do that for me. That would help me out a lot. So anyways, you guys, take care. Bye, friends. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Everybody. Please like and subscribe. Bye. See you next time. Bye.